What's up, guys? It's Ultra Michael G.O.Roy, and today I have a special prize from Christmas, and it is Super Brains. I got from Christmas. Hi. Also, I like him because they actually put a little brain. That's cool. His head's kind of messed up, but I don't care. I like it. I like him. It's beautiful. Well, I also like him. He can do poses. He can dab. He has a cape. It's actually pretty soft on the top, but inside here, it's kind of fluffy. One entire part of him, it's like hard and also not hard, like that, like scratchy kind, but the only part that's not scratchy is the inside of the cape and his face. Beautiful face. Beautiful. It's so soft. Besides the mouth. Okay, so that's all. So thanks guys for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.